everyone. This is live. Now, when we talk about the Nigerian police, we have the good ones and the bad ones. An example of the good ones are the ones I know, and the bad ones are the ones you are seeing right now in Abule Egba.
I want to really ask one question. To do police work for Nigeria, now force, now by force to do police work. When they employ you to do job, when be say at the end of the day, the job not they pay you, you are not happy with the job, they not feel quit. They not feel quit. Why Nigeria police they put their frustration that they put up for innocent people we don't know what we don't know to. Nigeria as a country is already frustrated. Nigeria they frustrated as a country, which the frustration they affect everybody when they live inside the country. But why they go carry their own frustration, they put up for innocent people where we say they are also frustrated. Why they go carry go give person where we say yeah be like lion. This is the reason why the innocent youth protest last year, end SARS and end police brutality. Today we still dey see am. Brutality still there everywhere. How we won't really take survive this country? How this country won't really take move forward? How we won't really take survive? How we won't take survive? I don't know whether police they not fit quit their job. I don't know whether they not fit protest. If people they protest for the betterment of the country, una go come outside. They go carry una come outside, una no go fit talk. Una go see they shoot innocent people. Then the people go see they go there about their daily business to look what they want. They look for what they want to eat. Una go carry their frustration. Una go hang and put for their neck. What is really going on? What did they happen? It be like hungry lion when they carry fresh meat, put for a freight, if face. Now so Nigeria police be for Nigeria. Now so they be. Una see una fellow human be like animals. Una feel so una fellow citizen like goats. Una see una fellow citizen like fresh meat where we say lion won't devour. I don't understand what is going on. If the police work tire you, I beg my dear brothers and sisters, make una resign. Make una resign for police work. It's not by force, not be forced to do police work. Instead of una to the carry una frustration, they put for people body. Innocent people say they are also frustrated. Instead of una to they put your own anger, put for their body, una better quit, my dear brother. Make una quit. Police people supposed to be people where we say person go see the respect. Only Nigerian police not get respect because una don't come out una respect for our body. For other places, for Europe, if you see police car, the car alone, their uniform, go fair cash you. If they commit anything, if they do anything crime, you go fair shock. You go see they will begin to cause them bastard. They will begin to talk because they don't see. They say yes. Then they compose themselves. Only they are driving past alone. People go arrange themselves. Sometimes when people will be saying yes, they know anything that they do not they good. Only their car will pass. Before how many minutes you see everywhere go dry because they don't see that car. Cold don't catch them. Fear don't catch them. But Nigeria, both who they do bad, but who not they do bad, they don't know because una carry una frustration put for innocent people body. So I know say yes, when if you don't still see this video, but I just want to talk about her. If una don't tire for the police work, make una resign. Make una resign so that una go find job, normal job to do. Because these same people that they put in frustration for their body, they are also frustrated. They are also frustrated. So guys, please, we'll watch this video together. You're gonna drop in a comment. And that's a police problem for Nigeria. Not be today. Not be today. But we pray, may God help us end the case just for one day. Please, if today is your first time when you come across this my YouTube channel, please do not fail to subscribe, like, and share. So drop your comments, let me know how you feel about this video, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. For now,
hello everyone, this is live. Now when we talk about the Nigerian police, we have the good ones and the bad ones. An example of the good ones are the ones I know, and the bad ones are the ones you are seeing right now in Abule Egba. They are extorting people of their money, of hard-earned money, making life hard for them. They are making life hard for them. Can you understand? Listen. And this one had the guts to take my phone because I was recording them. He had the guts to slap my PA and collect his phone. All I said was, let this man ride his bike by himself. You are talking about somebody else's bike, you see his bike, and you can't even get the way he was riding his bike. He said, let him ride it by himself, you can now follow him. This one said, you're an animal. I said, for what? What do you call an animal? I wasn't even in the traffic. I didn't even consider that. Let him ride the bike by himself now. You're an animal. We arrest you. What was the problem? Why? Because I said Nigerians, we are the one defending and fighting for them, and still they will come back and say you're animals. You're animals. If only we can stand up for ourselves. Look at him. Look at him. Don't turn away. Don't turn away. Face the camera. See. See people. Hey, Kenny. See them. See them. See people. See them. I didn't just say. Don't fight back. He has checked this guy for no reason. For no reason. Arresting people in Abule Egba for no reason. For no reason. We have to stand up ourselves. For no reason. Look at him. Look at him. I will get his name. See, he tried to take us me again. Look at him. Don't hide your number. Look at him. Yes. That's the